Can I just have your attention for like one minute, please? Dear to Apple, please fix this. Picture the scene. You're running late for a meeting already because, actually, the excuses don't matter here. You're frantically trying to put away your AirPods and you put them in the wrong way, and now you've got your laptop in your hand. You know, someone's calling you, they're like, come on, hurry up for the meeting. And now you're trying to fiddle a mess. We're trying to put away these tiny fucking little AirPods in these tiny fucking holes. But look, there's one simple solution to this. Let me show you how simple this solution could be. And you can have that one for free, Apple. Okay. Fix this. Fix it.